Ended up with a little bit of a tear.
Old sails, but they're doing all right.
Yeah.
18 knots, right on the beam, right where you want it.
They're trying to crash the market on peppers. I don't even know what's happening. That's pretty cool.
Welcome back, everyone. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by.
All my GoPro batteries overheated on the hike. So hopefully you can hear me because it's a little windy with our sail. Woo! But a great day for the wind. So we have 13 to 15 knots, 17 actually, and we've got full sails out. So we'll take it. I'll tell you what, we're excited for the fall. If this is what fall has to offer with more winds and cooler weather, bring it on. So we had a beautiful sail into Fethiye, and now we're gonna go check out the city. It looks really cool. There's some tombs that we're gonna be able to go and check out. You can actually see them from the seaside. And so I'll show you what that looks like here from a distance. And then also once we get up closer, we'll do a little bit of a tour and get a few things in town, data card, cash, provisions. Check out the town. Let's see what Fethiye has to offer.
All right, so stop one, Turk sail.
Yay, perfect.
Check, done.
Yep.
200 gigabytes for 13 bucks.
Yeah. That'll more than last us for the next 2 weeks.
I think we'll be good to go with that.
Or 3 weeks, however long we have left.
Yeah, I think we're good to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, good stuff.
So yeah, now an ATM, provisions, and maybe some food or something. I don't know. Step 2.
Cash money.
Cash in hand.
Yeah.
So next step is to do some provisions and then go check out the tombs.
No, the next step is the tombs.
Yes.
Because then we provision on the way back with the boat, so we
Good
don't have to
thinking.
carry the provisions.
You're so smart. Yes. Go check out the tombs. Yay.
Look at that. That's pretty cool. Okay, we found them. The tombs.
I'm excited.
In Fethiye.
Yeah, they look cool.
Short walk from the bay even.
Yeah.
Super close.
Under a mile.
way under a mile.
I don't know how many kilometers,
Like
but
maybe half a click.
yeah. Yeah.
Let's go check them out.
Yeah. This sarcophagus, which was built in Lycian style on a podium, dates back to the Roman period and consists of a rectangular, solid cyst with a gable lid on top. This tomb is in the middle of the road. But pretty cool. The sarcophagus is pretty cool.
Alright, let's be honest people, Shelly's in heaven right now. This is her spot. She's got her mushrooms. She's doing her mushroom thing. She's in there. She's in heaven. It's heaven. She loves this place.
If you want it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, we all know that it's the only way to really say what we're gonna say. If we rise up and try to make it right, righteousness is not a fight. They all thought that we would never.
My eyes are just like mind blown.
Okay, so the closest I can figure is this is the stock market of vegetables. You got everybody here. You got madness. You got people on sale. And then you got wholesale peppers going on. You got, oh yeah, there you are. It's madness. It's pure madness. Wholesale peppers going crazy. This place is crazy. Shelly can't even get into the pepper sale. I don't know, they got wholesale peppers going on at like 3 cents a pepper. I don't even know what's going on. They're trying to crash the market on peppers. I don't even know what's happening over here. All right, she sneaked her way in. She found her back door option. She got in on the pepper liquidation. Oh, it's too late. She waited. Oh, she waited too long. Oh my gosh, I'm being bumped. I'm bumping people. I don't even know what's happening right now. Wait, what's happening? What do you got going on?
I punched in a pepper.
Oh no! Pepper liquidation. She got punched on a pepper.
Oh my gosh, so much fun. So we have talked to a lot of boaters over the last 6 months who have raved about the shopping experiences in Turkey, and particularly the farmers market. This did not disappoint. This is exactly what we were looking for. It was so much fun. Now it's time to go eat.
All right, now we got the market taken care of. Let's go see what our dining options are. Fethiye is actually really great for food options. They've got street cafes lined up. As far as the eye can see, pretty much any option you could never think of is what you have at your disposal. So, and honestly, super affordable, great food. I don't even think it matters which one you choose. They all look pretty good. All right, peace.
Fish and chips. Good stuff.
Turkish style.
Yeah. So fish and chips for our meal. Are you happy?
Not buddy.
So when we put the sail away yesterday, ended up with a little bit of a tear along the leech edge. So we have some sail tape. We're just going to patch it. I think we've said before, our sails are very tired. So we're going to patch it and make this work for now. Yeah, check this out.
So as you can see, one nice little hole. But pretty old sails, but they're doing all right.
Yeah.
We've had this repaired once before. You can see this is the repair here, and the guy who repaired it told us that because of the age of the sail, it was probably going to tear along his repair, and alas, it did. So we got a little sail tape. We'll come through, put it on both sides,
Yeah.
and we'll take care of it. Yeah, well, you do what you have to do, yeah. Hopefully we'll get some new sails in the next year or so.
Yeah.
Keep limping it along.
Yep. Here we go.
Here we go.
Unfortunately, we need all 4 hands when we're doing this, but I'll show you how this works. So now we have, you can see it's a lighter color here. That is actually the sail tape. There's a backing on it, and it just sticks right to the sail. So we'll do that again on the other side, and we'll be good. It'll limp us along. Now the sail is repaired. We are just getting ready to actually head on up to Anchorages again. So we're gonna wrap out of this Fethiye Bay, sail out of here, and head back to an area that we've been and really liked. It was a beautiful bay, and we loved playing paddleball there. So we'll probably go back there. If not there, we'll hit another bay. But yeah, so starting to work our way back west.
The situation's in a hurry. We won't be waiting here in vain for the buzz of prosperity.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, like and subscribe. And don't forget to join us next week.